Do weight loss diets really work, or are they just another fad that's too good to be true? We live in an era where dieting has become the norm, and yet the effectiveness of these diets is a topic of intense debate. Confusion, conflicting information, and a myriad of options can leave us feeling lost in the labyrinth of weight loss strategies. Today, we delve into the truth behind these diets. Stay tuned. To help us understand better, we've gathered insights from health and nutrition experts. Now, let's dive into some myth-busting. Some may say that cutting out carbs entirely is the key to weight loss. However, our experts argue that balance is the real secret. Carbs aren't the enemy, instead they're a vital energy source. It's about choosing whole grains over refined flours. You might have heard about miracle weight loss foods like grapefruit or cabbage soup. But our experts remind us that no single food holds the magic key to shed pounds. It's about a balanced diet, not a single miracle food. And that popular notion that eating after 6 p.m. leads to weight gain? It's a myth. The experts emphasize that it's not always about when you eat, but what and how much you eat. So what about those flashy diets promising quick results? Our experts caution that while they may offer temporary results, they often overlook long-term health and sustainability. As our experts have shown, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, but don't lose hope yet. But what does science say about weight loss diets? Let's take a peek behind the curtain. When we delve into scientific research, we find a plethora of studies conducted on various diets. The Mediterranean diet, the ketogenic diet, intermittent fasting, you name it, and science has probably studied it. But here's the interesting part. While some diets do show promise, none of them are a magic bullet for weight loss. Research shows that it's not just about what you eat, but also how you live. Studies suggest that a combination of a balanced diet and regular physical activity can significantly contribute to healthy weight loss. And let's not forget about sleep and stress management, both of which can influence your weight. Moreover, genetics also play a role. Some people may lose weight more easily than others due to their genetic makeup. So it seems the science is clear. Lifestyle changes are key. But how can you apply this to your life? Now that we've learned the truth, how can you make informed decisions about your diet? Firstly, it's important to remember that sustainable change is key. Quick fixes might seem tempting, but they often lead to yo-yo dieting and aren't beneficial in the long run. Instead, strive for a lifestyle change that you can stick to. Secondly, balanced nutrition is crucial. Rather than eliminating certain food groups, aim to incorporate a variety of nutrients into your meals. This includes proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Thirdly, physical activity can't be ignored. It's not just about burning calories, but also building muscle and boosting your metabolism. Lastly, listen to your body. If you're hungry, eat. If you're full, stop. Your body knows what it needs, and it's crucial to respect that. So, ditch the drastic diets. Focus on sustainable changes, balanced nutrition, and physical activity. Remember, the best diet is the one that works for you. So, do weight loss diets really work? It's not as straightforward as it seems. Today, we've debunked myths, explored scientific research, and highlighted the pros and cons of various diets. We've learned that the key to healthy weight loss is an individual approach and informed decisions, not quick fixes. Knowledge is your best tool in this journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based health insights. Stay healthy.